Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can know if someone unfriended you on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Facebook, go to search, and let's just click on the person that you don't know if he unfriended you. And if he would unfriend me, like this is my brother, next to the message you will find that you need to add him as a friend. So I don't know, I'm going to click on this woman and I can see add a friend here. So this means that this woman unfriended me, or I didn't have her as a friend at all. So that's really important, okay guys? So this is how it is. And this is how you can know if someone unfriended you on Facebook. Click on a profile. And I get to see it right here. Add a friend. So when you see add a friend, that person unfriended you, or you didn't have him as a friend in the first place. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.